round to medium.
Here we go. I'm gonna pull it. Okay, it's starting.
I feel something.
This is good.
Oh god, that was close.
Oh!
Oh, it hit me.
Hit you hard. I almost got my fucking. Ow! Got me back my head. Oh, I feel the beats. Are you guys getting over it?
Yeah, I'll be finished.
Oh, fuck.
Why are you backwards?
See what our mouth busted out.
Ah!
There you go. You gotta start it.
Oh, okay.
Start it. There we go.
What are you saying? Duck down.
That down so it gets started. Yeah. Keep saying
Duck
that.
down.
Say that.
Duck down.
Okay, it's going. No!
We're going.
Yes! Oh god, this is going! Oh god! I'm black. Oh my god.
Oh shit, that was hard. Oh god. I can't believe how fast it comes around.
Oh, I know.
Great job!
No!
You threw it at me!
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, we missed out! That was close! Oh my god, I just had what's happening?
I don't know. Is it still going?
Yes! Yes!
Oh fuck!
Yes! Ouch! It's gonna fucking blast me, I have a feeling. Ow! Fucking A!
Oh my god! You broke my nose!
I'm like, I'm fucking down now. Oh my god. I'm breaking the fucking down.
You can't be covering your face, Diane.
Oh fucking. Alright. It's fucking violent now.
What happened?
Oh! Fuck. It's violent now. You're gonna get you.
I got a 2-for-1er.
Oh fuck, I feel the breeze. I feel it.
My ear's ringing.
I know, it fucking, like, cold.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
It fucking
Hit me again!
I feel like fucking cold cavity in my ear.
Oh fuck! Like, where are the black eyes? It just hit me in the eye. That was like, why do you got black eyes?
Look at my jaw. You violent ass water bottle. Oh, that's an anger issue.
I'm scared.
Oh fuck.
The minute I was like, is this elimination?
Yes, yes. I think it's fuck.
I'm getting done.
Where's it at? Oh, it's still fucking going. Oh, it's gonna fucking blast somebody. I put my bandana back on. Oh, fuck.
Tom, he's watching us.
Where is it at?
I don't know.
Thomas is laughing at us.
Where the fuck is it at? Oh, it's skipping my head. Oh my god, fucking blasted me.
Oh my god, it was like swung past me. Oh fuck.
How dumb do we have to be to take a water bottle to the face repeatedly? Okay, this is where the fucking go. Oh fuck. felt that way.